Good morning all of you. I hope that you all have finished exercise 2.1 homework and for fabric also. So now our next topic is zeros of the polynomial, which is very important topic. Same topic is there in your 10th standard. So you have to be careful here and you have to focus on this topic. So what is zeros of the polynomial? Zeros. Yes, the heading is like that way you can understand what is the zeros of the polynomial. When you put any value in the polynomial and the answer is a zero. Now if you write any polynomial x square plus 1 or anything and you put any number or any digit in the variable, and if you are solving and getting answer 0, that number is known as zeros of the polynomial. Let us see with the example. Right? So our first example is p of x equals to x minus 2 and p of x plus 2. Now which is the variable? X, number 1 and number 2. So first number 1, x is the variable. Now put value in equation. Value 2 in equation or polynomial. So let us start that. So our number is p of x equals to x minus 2. Now in place of x we are putting a 2. In the place of x. In the place of x we will put 2. Here also 2. You see that 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So here answer is a 0. So we can say that 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Let me repeat it again. One polynomial is there. P of x equals to x minus 2. That is our polynomial. It is a linear polynomial because x having 1 degree. So that is known as linear polynomial. Now substitute or put the value of 2 in the place of x. So p of x, we can read that p of x, whatever variable is there, we will use in bracket. If y is there, we have to write p of y. If t is there, we have to write p of t. Bracket is pronounced as a of. P of x. P of x. So here we use 2. And if you put 2 in place of x, then you get the answer 0. So it is zeros of the polynomial. Yes, it is. Yes. 0 of polynomial. Yes. And the second one. P of x equals to x plus 2. Now the same number we will put 2 in the place of x. Sorry, 2 plus 2. So answer is 4. So now answer is 4. So 2 is not 0 of a polynomial for the polynomial 2. Here 2 is not here answer is a 4, not 0. So it is not, which is 2, is not a zeros of the polynomial. We can say that it is a value of term, or we can say it is value of polynomial is that when you are using any number for the variable and then you derive it and you at last if the zero answer, then it is zeros of the polynomial. And similarly, except zero, if any answer is there, it is a value of a polynomial. These are the difference. And here we can say yes, 2 is a zeros of the polynomial. And here we can say no, 2 is not a zeros of the polynomial. And 4 is a value of polynomial. Instead, let us see some more example from the textbook. This was not from the textbook, but for the comparison I brought this example. Now, it is a cubical polynomial. Fine. P of x. Why x? Because here also we are having variable that is x. Why? X cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now, if we replace x by 1, we have to put x equals to 1. So, P of 1, in place of x we will use 1. 1, same 1, 1, right? So wherever x is there, I put the value 1 because in the question it is given that replace x with 1. In question they will ask x, which number you will replace, right? They will ask. It is not randomly we are taking. In the question they will ask replace by 2 minus 3 minus 5, that number you have to use and you have to put in the place of x. Right? Now let us solve this. 5 cube of 1 will be 1. 2 square of 1 will be 3 minus 2. So now let us multiply 5 2 plus 3 minus 2. So plus plus down 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. That is known as value of polynomial, because we did not get answer 0. Fine, we get the answer 4. So that is known as value of polynomial, and 1 is not a zero of a. So we can write and P of 1 is not zero of polynomial. Right? By these examples that I derive on the board, you can understand what is the zeros of the polynomial. So by this, what we can say about a zero of a polynomial, it is given after example 5 in your textbook. Number 1, a zero of a polynomial need not be 0. Every time it is not compulsory that it should be a 0. Need not. No need that every time it is 0. Fine. 0 may be a zero of a polynomial. Second is 0 may be 0 of a polynomial. That means in a place of x, if you are putting 2, in place of 2 you can put a 0 also. Right? That means a 0 may be a 0 of a polynomial. That means if you put the 0 in place of x, and if you solve that and you are getting 0, that means a 0 may be a 0 of a polynomial. Third, every linear polynomial has one and only one 0. Any polynomial that having a linear, that means what? The degree of polynomial is 1, that is known as a linear polynomial. If the polynomial have only one degree of polynomial, that is known as linear polynomial. So here it is that every linear polynomial has one and only one polynomial. Linear, that means where it is, wait, if the degree is only 1, that is C. Here it is an example of linear because x raised to 1, no other terms. Then other where, wait a minute, that is here C, 2x minus 1, then under root 2y plus 1, 2 minus u. These all are a linear polynomial. Fine. So yes, every linear polynomial has one and only one 0. Okay, and the last, a polynomial can have more than one 0. If you put any 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, whatever number if you put, it is possible to get more than one time 0. It is possible. So it is also a zeros, we can consider as also a 0 of a polynomial. Fine. Okay. So here this topic is going to finish, that zeros of the polynomial. Now you can start exercise 2.2.